Welcome back to One Pot Dish. Today we're going to be making a bacon and leek soup. Start by making some crispy bacon because we're going to use that to top the soup. However, if you don't want bacon, leave that step out. You can also see our short video, and I'll put the link below, on how to make crispy bacon like a restaurant. Now, start by preparing the leeks. You sort of cut off the outside, give them a wash, so you wash out all of the dirt that can be caught between the leaves, and then proceed to cut the leek in half, and then cut it into these sort of what they regularly call half moon shapes. Now we move on to prepare the garlic. We'll then move on and cut up one onion, relatively small pieces, but don't worry about it because we are going to use a blender to blitz them all up. After the onion, we peel the potatoes and then cut those up into relatively small chunks because we want them to cook reasonably well, so again they can all be blended up nicely. Turn your Instant Pot onto high temperature saute, put in 1 or 2 tablespoons of oil and start by cooking the onions till they just get a little bit soft. The next step is to add the leeks and the garlic, and again stir and cook those for about 2 minutes, and again you'll see that they start to just change a little bit in texture, and then it's time to put in the potato, and again give that a quick stir, just 1 or 2 minutes, no more, and then we're ready to put in the stock. Okay, so we put in the stock, we give it a quick stir, and on goes the lid. We then cook for 10 minutes at high pressure with a similar amount of time for natural release. The next step is just check that the potatoes are relatively soft. Whoops, one pops in the mouth, and if they are, then you're all good to go. The next step is we get an immersion blender, and again using the Instant Pot, just start blending around. If you find the edge of the Instant Pot is too hot, do what we've done, use a tea towel or a paper towel and just hold that so you can blend it nicely. Put in a little bit of salt and pepper and then give it a stir. You can add a little bit of sugar if you think it's going to be a little bit tart. We often find adding just half a teaspoon of sugar makes all the difference. Stir in the cream and mix well. Now once you've got the cream mixed in, it's time to do the taste test. Let's have a taste. Oh, let's have another. Oh, I need another taste. Wow. Oh, another one. This must have been good soup. In fact, it was. Just adjust your seasoning after your tasting, and then you're basically ready to start plating the soup up. If you've liked this video, please hit the like button, and we'd love it if you subscribe to the channel, and then you'll get notified for our new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.